Alright, everybody. It is raining. I don't know if y'all can tell it or not. I'm still in the house partially because it's warmer in here. And of course, I'm wearing a tank top. Not a good idea. And I'm not wearing no socks either. Like, I got my bare feet. Wind's blowing a little bit. Just being like one of those rainy day-like things. Mostly I've been inside. I just cooked me something to eat because my mom and my husband is not home yet. Hold on, guys. Let me get a jacket on, and I'm gonna show y'all what I normally would do on a. And guys, hold on. It is cold out here or outside, so I'm just gonna get me on a jacket here. I got me a jacket on. Pop open this door. It's been locked, so. What I mentioned earlier, is today's my sister's cat's birthday. We've had her for like 7 years. And I've had my cat for probably about that long. But he was a stray and I just brought him home, you know. He was not too far from us anyway. Mom goes, he's got a weird tail. My cat has like a little short tail. I think somebody's tied a rubber band on the end of it and cut it off because his tail's not long like cat's tails are supposed to be. So, whoosh. It's a little nippy out here. So, anyways, my cat is hi, Bobo. He's in there, and there is a dryer. We have 2 dryers and a washer machine on the porch. And so, the dryers don't work. Well, one of them, they said they did, but we had them down to the trailer where I lived, and my husband and his friend and his brother, they wouldn't help fix the dryer so we could dry our clothes. So we had to hang them up outside, you know, and sometimes cars would drive by and they see your clothes out there, and I was like, no. So I'd try to hang my underclothes in the house, but not, you know, where nobody could see them. I think what I was going to say. But anyways, it's been raining out here, as you can tell. Nothing but leaves on the ground too, so. About to go in, I'm about to freeze. I gotta go use the bathroom too. Hopefully my husband will be home, and my mom will be home. I need to go to Walmart and get some shampoo because I don't have any. I really don't want to go on a rainy day, but I have to because I need shampoo. Or maybe I can wait till tomorrow or something. Could have swore I heard somebody. I guess I'm hearing things, but anyways. Oh, it's just, I don't like this rain, and when the wind blows, oh my gosh, it just makes it so cold. But anyways, guys, hope y'all like this video. I know it's not important or like fun or anything, but maybe I can make more videos that's fun, and maybe I can make them like where I'm showing you I'm going on vacation and stuff. I ain't supposed to take a vacation here shortly, but I don't know when. It's cold. Woohoo. Oh yeah, guys, I'm going to show you what I put up on my mom's porch. I put one of those things up. It was mine. My husband's going to throw it away, so I saved